Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering why I'm on the ground. Let me tell you the story behind this video. It started a while ago when I made this for fun, and then 2 years later I tried again. But this time I wanted to move the camera with me. Now this is the traditional way of doing this. You set up a tripod and you move it over and over again. And it takes forever. So I wanted to try a different way of doing it, this time using a phone gimbal to stabilize. And you can see it was definitely a lot faster, but would it be stable enough? After some editing, it worked pretty well. With our practice shots done, it was time to shoot for real, and I decided to shoot at a park. But then, we had a problem. Did I mention this is a dog park? Dog pee. Okay, let's try somewhere else. This tree looks nice. Let's go investigate. To be honest, I could still sort of smell the dog pee here, but it was not that bad. Like, I could work with this. Okay, so here we go. I really hope this works. You know, this wasn't the most comfortable thing I've ever done, but I hope you find the result to be worth it.